Hello, I will talk about spectroscopy problem 13, so we will try to find the compound, so we will start right now. From the IR spectrum we find a one stretch at 2989 that belong to alkane functional group. And that just a stretch that we found from IR spectrum. So we will look at mass spectrum. To get more information from mass spectrum we find three possible molecular ions is due to the isotopes of chlorine 35 chlorine and 37 chlorine in a 3:1 ratio. The 98 if the isotopes is 35 chlorine 35 chlorine. And 100 if the isotopes is 35 chlorine 37 chlorine. And 102 if the isotopes is 37 chlorine 37 chlorine. The compound has CH single bond and two chlorine molecules. And now we look at carbon-13 NMR and we see two peaks that indicate the two different chemical environments of the two carbon atoms. Right now we know the compound has single bond and no double bond and has two chlorine molecules and two carbons atom and two environments for carbon atom, so the possible compound is CH3CHCl2. And ClCH2CH2Cl. The compound should to has two environments for carbon atom. In the second compound we can see one environment for carbon atom, that means it's not the right compound. So the compound is CH3CHCl2. One carbon atom bind two chlorine molecules. Just to be sure we look at HNMR. From HNMR we see two peaks considered the interactions of non-equivalent protons on adjacent carbon atoms, one at 2 into 2.2 and the other at 5.8 into 6. The 5.8 into 6 is for CHCl2 and the peak at 2 into 2.2 is for CH3. Now we make sure the CH3CHCl2 is the desired compound. The desired compound is called 1,1-dichloroethane. And this is a solving for problem 13.